millions of people touch this small black stone every single year. Some kiss it, some raise their hands toward it. But almost nobody asks the most mysterious question. Why is the black stone surrounded by silver? Is it decoration? Is it protection? Or is there a hidden story behind it that most people don't know? Today, we are going to reveal the full history, science, and spiritual meaning behind the black stone and its silver frame. Stay until the end, because the truth is far more fascinating than you think. The black stone is called Hajar al-Aswad in Arabic. It is located in the eastern corner of the Kaaba in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. According to Islamic tradition, this stone was sent down from paradise by Allah. It was placed in the Kaaba by Prophet Ibrahim and his son Prophet Ismail when they were rebuilding the sacred house. Islamic teachings say that the stone was originally pure white, but over time it turned black because of the sins of humanity. Muslims do not worship the black stone. Instead, they follow the example of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who kissed and touched it during Tawaf. One famous companion, Umar ibn al-Khattab, said, "I know that you are just a stone. You can neither harm nor benefit me. If I had not seen the Prophet kiss you, I would not have kissed you." This shows that the black stone is a symbol of obedience and tradition, not an object of worship. The black stone has existed for thousands of years. It has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, prophets, kings, and empires. In the time of Prophet Muhammad, the Kaaba was rebuilt. The tribes of Mecca argued about who would place the black stone back into its corner. They feared war over this honor. Prophet Muhammad solved the conflict by placing the stone on a cloth and letting all tribal leaders lift it together. Then he personally placed it in its position. This moment made the black stone a symbol of unity and wisdom. Many people think the black stone is one solid rock. But the truth is shocking. The black stone is broken into multiple pieces. Over centuries, it was damaged by fires inside the Kaaba, earthquakes, floods in Mecca, and violent attacks. The most famous event happened in the year 930 AD. A radical group called the Qarmatians attacked Mecca, killed pilgrims, and stole the black stone. They took it to their homeland and kept it for more than 20 years. During this time, the stone was broken into fragments. When it was finally returned to Mecca, it was no longer a single stone. Today, only several fragments remain, held together by binding material. Why is the Kaaba black? Now, let's talk about another mystery. Why is the Kaaba covered in black cloth? The cloth that covers the Kaaba is called Kiswah. In ancient times, the Kaaba was not always black. Historically, it was covered with different colors, such as white, red, green, and patterned fabrics. So why did black become permanent? Symbol of majesty and humility. Black is a powerful color. It symbolizes seriousness, dignity, and humility. The black cloth removes distractions and makes the Kaaba look simple and majestic. When millions of pilgrims see the Kaaba, their focus goes to worship, not decoration. Practical desert reason. Mecca is a desert city. Dust, sand, heat, and pollution constantly affect the Kaaba. Black cloth hides stains and dust better than white cloth. It also ages gracefully and does not look dirty easily. So black is practical and durable. Historical tradition. During the Abbasid Caliphate, black cloth was standardized for the Kaaba. Over centuries, This tradition continued, and black became the symbol of the Kaaba worldwide. Today, the Kiswah is made of silk and embroidered with gold Quranic verses. It is replaced every year during Hajj. Scientists have debated the origin of the black stone for decades. Some believe it could be a meteorite from space volcanic basalt or a rare type of rock. However, Islamic belief says the stone is from paradise, and its true nature is beyond science. No scientific test has been allowed that could damage the stone, so its origin remains a mystery. For Muslims, the black stone is deeply emotional and spiritual. Touching it reminds them of Prophet Ibrahim's faith, Prophet Muhammad's tradition, the connection to paradise, the unity of millions of believers. When pilgrims cry while touching the stone, it is not because of the stone itself. It is because of the faith, history, and connection to Allah. The silver frame around the black stone is not just metal. It is a guardian of history. It is a protector of a sacred gift from paradise. It is a symbol of respect for something that has existed for thousands of years. And as millions of people circle the Kaaba every year, the black stone remains one of the greatest mysteries and symbols in human history. If you enjoyed this documentary, like this video, subscribe for more Islamic history stories, and share this with someone who loves learning about sacred places.